Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now I am going to be putting a tablescape together, so let me go ahead and talk to you about my tablescape and show you what I did. Okay, so now these floral pieces right here, they're half. You can use them on top of a vase, or you can just, I've been using them and laying them on my table, and I think they look beautiful. This lace runner here, I purchased at Dollar General. It is so beautiful. I'm not sure exactly what I paid for it, but we're going to be using this for the place setting. I thought that looks really nice. And as you can see, it is a touch of vintage. So anyway, this is a candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I just put some pearls underneath to elevate it. It's a candle holder. The candle, of course, all of the candles came from the Dollar Tree. This here, the candle holders, both of them, along with the candles, those spiral candles, they came from the Dollar Tree, and also the candles in those votives. Now, these are the little birds, the little chubby birds from the Dollar Tree. I love those birds. And then this was a thrifted item. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? One of my vintage florals. I absolutely love it. And here is my little bunny. And here's the umbrella. I love that bunny. So we're just gonna place them right there. And then here is a mother of pearl vase that I thrifted. Absolutely gorgeous. You will not believe the size. I don't think the camera is doing it enough justice here. It is beautiful. I thought it blended in very well. Here's another one of the blue birds, and here's a white one. And then here's another one of those floral pieces that I DIY'd. And of course this, I absolutely love that candle there. The candle holder was thrifted from the Goodwill. So this is what my tablescape is starting out looking like. This is part of a collaboration called April Showers, May Flowers. That's being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So let's get started with decorating this tablescape, guys. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. The beautiful pink chargers, those came from the Salvation Army back home. And these pink plates, I absolutely love them. I got them on sale at Michael's during Easter time. I love them. Now those beautiful salad plates, they are gorgeous. I got them from Home Goods. Now I'm loving those wine glasses. They came from Walmart, and the water glasses came from the Dollar Tree. Now, because I want the bunny with the umbrella to show a little bit more, I start moving stuff around until I like the placement, and that's what I'm doing here. Now don't forget to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month of April. Now here you see me place a rose napkin fold on the center of each one of those plates. I am using a really pretty pattern that matches with that salad plate. I decided to go ahead and use the second napkin, but that one I flared out like a fan, and it looks beautiful. Now the flatware came from Aldi. The candles were already lit. Everything looks gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I'm loving that vintage touch. This table for two, I think, came out absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you agree. And I also want to take a moment and thank Deborah Cabasa Home Living for having me in this collaboration. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.